In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gallery to Shopify. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along smoothly. Open your browser and head to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Login. This takes you to the secure sign-in screen. Use your email and password or choose one of the available single sign-on options if that's how your store is set up. Once you're in, you'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. This opens the themes area for your storefront. Find your current theme and click the option to edit it. Depending on your interface, this may be labeled Edit Theme or Customize. The theme editor will load, showing a live preview on the right and a settings panel on the left. In the editor, make sure you're working on the page where you want the gallery to appear, such as your homepage or a specific template. Then in the left panel, look for the sections list and choose Add Section. This is where you'll insert new content blocks into your page layout. Next, choose the layout you want for your gallery. Different themes name these sections differently. Common options include image gallery, collage, grid, or multi-column. Pick the one that matches the style you're going for. A collage gives a dynamic editorial look, while a grid provides a clean, uniform layout. If your theme offers a dedicated gallery section, that's often the most straightforward choice. After you add the section, it's time to customize the contents and appearance. Upload your images directly in the section settings. For best results, use high-quality, web-optimized photos and aim for consistent aspect ratios if you want a neat grid. Add descriptive alt text to each image to improve accessibility and SEO. You can usually drag to reorder images, adjust the number of columns, set image cropping or aspect ratio, and tweak spacing and section padding. Many themes let you add headings, subheadings, and captions, or link images to products or pages for extra interactivity. Preview how everything looks on desktop and mobile using the device icons in the editor. If text feels cramped on mobile, reduce columns or increase spacing for a cleaner stack. When you're happy with the layout and settings, click Save in the top right corner. Give the page a quick preview to confirm the gallery appears where you expect and loads smoothly. If you don't see it on the live site, double check that you added it to the correct template and that the section is visible. That's it. Your Shopify gallery is live and ready to showcase your visuals.